Like any? In Bangkok, the sale price is $12.90.
I quite like this mall. It's got some decent brands. Tomato! Yum yum!
Up some makeup. So we are in H&M now. Done shopping. I don't really know what we're gonna do. So keep watching.
Hey guys! So we are back in the room after all the shopping. Terminal 21 is a newer mall. Picked up some excellent stuff, great deals, good sales we could get our hands on. There are a lot of stores that have a whole lot of sales going on through the year. A lot of it is winter wear that I picked up because I live in Manali.
Shopping.
At excellent deals on good brands.
Shopping.
Yesterday we did hit the Platinum Mall and it's the same, though prices have shot up, and the kind of bargaining I could do in my earlier trips didn't really work this time. But today we really liked Terminal 21.
तो चलिए थोड़ा रिवाइंड करते हैं और आपको ले जाते हैं सीधे टर्मिनल 21 और दिखाते हैं आज हमने टर्मिनल 21 में क्या क्या किया, किस टाइप की शॉपिंग की, यहाँ किस टाइप के शॉप्स हैं, आप यहाँ क्या क्या खरीद सकते हैं और ये हमारा फेवरेट मॉल क्यों है।
That's the Terminal 21 mall and this is at BTS Asok. That is the BTS line and this side it's headed towards Nana.
हमारा होटल सुखमविट में टर्मिनल 21 से सिर्फ 5 मिनट की दूरी में था, तो हम चलते चलते टर्मिनल 21 पहुंच गए। टर्मिनल 21 मॉल 2011 में बनाया गया 4,30,000 स्क्वायर फीट का विशाल मॉल है। सुखमविट के लेन या सॉय 21 में लोकेटेड है, इसलिए इसका नाम पड़ा टर्मिनल 21। इस मॉल का कॉन्सेप्ट बड़ा अनोखा है। इसके हर फ्लोर में दुनिया की अलग अलग मशहूर शहरों को दर्शाया गया है, जैसे कैरिबियन, रोम, पेरिस, टोक्यो, हॉलीवुड और लंदन। लोकल और इंटरनेशनल रिटेल ब्रांड्स के अलावा इसमें है मूवी थिएटर, होटल, रेस्टोरेंट और रेसिडेंशियल कॉम्प्लेक्स। भीड़ काफी थी और अंदर जाते ही हमें सारे ब्रांडेड स्टोर्स दिखे। बहुत चहल पहल थी, माहौल शानदार था और हम टूट पड़े शॉपिंग पे।
Let's go and check out Mango.
हमारे आने वाले ट्रैवल वीडियोस देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें।
So that's the Mango store. I like the red.
So there's some denim shopping going on here.
I like that.
Distressed jeans, and these I'm picking up for 790 bahts, which is a good price. That's a cardigan for 590 bahts. T-shirt for Prashant.
T-shirt 200 bahts.
So H&M is the next stop.
ये देखिए मुझे क्या मिला। मेरी टी शर्ट है H&M चंडीगढ़ से और मुझे सेम प्रिंट मिला यहाँ बैंकॉक में। शर्ट का दाम है 1000 बात, करीब 2300 इंडियन रुपीस।
This is for 1000 baht.
From H&M I got these boots for 600 bahts and I feel this was a pretty good deal.
So next we are checking out the Miniso store. This is a Japanese brand and it has a lot of items that we really like. A lot of soft toys and cosmetics that we don't mind checking out. How cute is that? 499 bahts.
स्टेशनरी आइटम्स काफ़ी अच्छी थी और यहाँ हर तरफ सॉफ्ट टॉयज ही सॉफ्ट टॉयज नज़र आ रहे थे। सॉफ्ट टॉयज के अलावा हमें दिखे काफ़ी अच्छे बैकपैक्स और बैग्स। फिर हम पहुंचे नीचे की फ्लोर में जहां पर मुझे मेरा ब्लैक रक्सैक मिल ही गया। कपड़े और बैकपैक के बाद हमें लेना था कॉस्मेटिक्स और हम पहुंचे
Even boy. We got quite some makeup. So we're at the store called A to Z and I quite like it. 200 bahts.
वहां से हम पहुंचे वॉटसन्स जो टॉयलेटरीज और कॉस्मेटिक्स के लिए काफी पॉपुलर है।
Tomato! Yum yum! And look at that, right behind me is a store in a bus.
अरे वाह, इस टुकटुक में तो आइसक्रीम पार्लर है।
That's actually a washroom. And we are here at the food court at Terminal 21 and a pretty crowded place it is. The food court we are at the topmost level of Terminal 21. It's a massive place with a lot of cuisines and the food is extremely cheap. We got rice platters for 25-30 baht. We got chicken biryani for 35 baht. That is like really cheap and the food was pretty good.
We got some vegetarian food, rice, some curry, the tofu salad, noodle salad.
It's around 7 in the evening and the place is pretty crowded. We are really happy with Terminal 21. It has a lot of excellent brands here.
And I feel it's better than Platinum Fashion Mall. The shopping here is of better quality.
So we are done with shopping in Terminal 21. Quite happy with what we picked up. So if you're in Sukhumvit, this is in Soi 21. Another piece of advice is if you're traveling to Thailand, keep a couple of days for Bangkok, and the first day, second day, just check out prices, especially for cosmetics and toiletries and multiple places. Like you can check out Watsons, you can check out Tops, you can check out the other stores like Boots, etc. And there are deals going on different days for the same product in different shops, so you might get your hands on a really good deal. So don't rush and buy all the stuff on day 1. Do a little bit of exploring and then pick up your stuff on day 2, day 3, day 4, etc. And Bangkok, you need at least 4 to 5 days to really explore the city and do a decent bit of shopping. You can hit the Terminal 21 mall food court and get a good meal for less than 50 bahts per head. That's something we discovered today, and we've decided we're going to eat there a couple of more times in the next few days while we are here, because Terminal 21 is just next door. The day ended with a much needed 1-hour foot massage, which you have to get when in Thailand, and especially after all that walking. And we got ours done below the Watson store at the entrance of the Terminal 21 mall, and it was pretty good. They charge us $250 per head, and it was a good 1-hour massage. So we are back in the room, refreshed and relaxed, and we are going to now turn in for the night. So all of you coming to Bangkok, do check out this mall. So I wrap up with that for today, and I will see you tomorrow and take you around Bangkok once again. Bye.